So the other day when we lifted the cab up on this, we noticed there's been a lot of buildup in mud and dirt underneath here. It's, the machine overall is very clean like we've talked about before, but somebody has clearly never lifted the cab and cleaned under there. So what I found was just gobs of mud and grease just built up over the years. It probably is about 3 inches thick of just grease and dirt that's been compacted in there. So what I went and did for now, just so I could get some of that out of here so it doesn't sit that way all winter before I could spray it all down, is there's actually a plate underneath that you could pull off. It's only 4 bolts, and the bolts came off super easy. I just put a tarp under here for now. I crawled under here and took the 4 bolts out, and the plate dropped immediately, and nothing happened. And then after about 30 seconds, this giant clump, you can see how thick that is. That's at least 2.5 inches, almost 3 inches thick. There is some white milky fluid, which basically is just hydraulic oil that's been sitting in water and mud. So it looks like it's trying to separate. There's, luckily from what I've seen, no leaks of anything actually leaking. So it's just been obviously minor leaks over the years, just dripping in there, and whatever's built up has just turned into this milky layer on top of the mud. So at this point, I'm probably going to get out whatever I can reach under here with my hands, just so that stuff is, there's a big clump about to fall out actually, and then we'll be able to actually spray this down in the springtime and really get it good and clean. But I am very happy to get that clump out. So if you have any of these machines and you've been spraying it out, just that's an easy trick, is to get that cover plate off there, and then while you're pressure washing, obviously all that water and mud could just start pouring out of there.